What's going on, guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be taking a look at a 2016 Chevy Camaro SS. This thing has 824 rear wheel horsepower and 673 foot-pounds of torque. So let's go ahead and start with the top. It has an MSD atomic intake manifold and a ported throttle body, rocking a Procharged D1SC supercharger kit with a race air-to-air intercooler, big red race valve, and alky control meth kit, which is using 2 meth lines. It also has a built motor with forged pistons and rods by Cunningham Motorsports, port and polished heads with stage 2 cams by Texas Speed and Performance. It also has ARH headers, which are American racing headers, and a full bore exhaust with no cats. For fuel, it is running LT4 injectors, in-tank pump, high-side fuel pump, etc. Everything from the LT4. Well, it is safe to say that this thing is a beast. Let's go ahead and take it for a ride.